What is up guys, Done at the sides. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move multiple events to Google Calendar. So first you need to head over to the Google Calendar, and then on the right side you need to click on this plus icon to get add-ons. After clicking on plus icon here, a new pop-up window will open, and when this window open at the top search bar, you need to click on it once and then you need to type in GCAL. And after that, you will see the GCAL extras. Simply click on this and then install this extension. After that, when you click on install button here, it will ask you to sign in with your email ID. Simply choose your email account and then just sign in with this extension to install it. And when the extension has been installed here, it will show you a confirmation message of GCal Extras has been installed. Simply click on done and then just close this window. After that, here on the right side, this will appear. Simply click on it once. And after clicking here on the right side, it will open in a small window. From here, click on show all calendars. After clicking on show all calendars, here it will select all the calendars and it will ask you to reload the Google Calendar. Simply reload it by just clicking on this button here on the left side at the top. After that, just open it again or it will open automatically. But if it doesn't open automatically, you just simply open it manually. And if you don't have any event, you can just simply create one by just clicking on this add new preset here on the right side at the bottom. As you can see, I don't have any events, so I need to add one. And after that, I just simply need to name this preset. After naming, I'll click on save. And after saving here, it will show you that you have created a new preset. So after that, you can just simply click on show all calendars. And if you have any, it will show you here. You can just simply move them or you can just download them here. This will show you two buttons at the bottom. Currently, it's not showing in mine because I don't have any events. So this is how you can move multiple events in Google Calendars. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.